Hi, what is up YouTube? So today I'm gonna be spray painting my car with peach red. So as you can see, I already took out the wheel, and then I'm gonna be spray painting it with this color. This is peach red, but it looks more like pink, so I don't mind it because you can see this color. I think it's gonna look more brighter, and then but this weather, man, this weather is the thing that's causing me to not like it anymore, because everywhere I go on the mud or what, and then it gets dirty so easily. So I'm waiting for summer too, so that the car could stay clean every day or what, and then this look would look more brighter and nicer or what. So I'm gonna spray paint it, and then I'm gonna use this thing.
Sellotape.
I'm gonna use salt tape for this nut, so that it doesn't get affected by the paint. So I'm gonna, even this one, I don't know if I should spray this one also. I don't know. This is my first time spray painting this one, but let me cover it. Yeah, I'm gonna cover it, and then I don't paint it. I'm only gonna paint this one. I don't know what it is called, because on the brake pad, I don't know. On my Golf 7, I did it. You can show them. I spray painted with blue. I spray painted with blue, and then it's the brake pad's cover. So I don't know what this one is called, because it's
a drum.
It's round. So I don't know what it is. What is it called? So if it does not look nice, I'm gonna change it. But I think it's gonna look nice. Yeah, so if you're new to this, make sure you subscribe, and then I'm gonna be doing more and more videos, and then where I modify this car, and then you'll give me ideas what you think I should do, because I'm thinking of getting the sail, and then I don't know what's next. I'm gonna tint it, but I'm thinking of more colors, not black, so I don't know. I will see. Subscribe and comment what you think I should do with this car. Tango. Alright, so we have to let it dry out now, and then I'll put the wheel back on, and then we'll see how it looks with the wheel on. And then I think it looks nice now, but a little bit more brighter than I thought, but nice. This is very simple, guys. If I don't like it, I'm gonna change it. This is very cheap. You can see it's 80 rand, but it looks nice. You tell me if it's nice, because this is pink. I'm not a girl, but just because this car is a classic, I don't mind it. So you tell me if I did the right thing or not. Yeah.
And they can help paint you already.
Shoshora. So